Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to upload a portfolio to Behance from Figma. The only thing we'll need to do is open our Figma file. Once here, and this is just an example by the way, we are going to select the share button. As you can see, we have several options, but we are going to click where it says get embed code. Once that's done, we'll copy the code. Next, we'll head over to Behance and select Share Work, and then Project. Here, we'll have the area where we can start working on our project. We are going to select Embed and simply paste the code we copied from Figma. Click Embed again and wait it for loading. When it finishes loading, we can see our example has been added. This means we've successfully transferred our portfolio from Figma into a Behance project. And that's it.